Oppo launched its new camera-centric phone under Reno series in China called the Oppo Reno 16 Pro, featuring an advanced gimbal camera system. Now, let's explore the specifications of this smartphone. The Oppo Reno 16 Pro features a tall 6.78-inch 1.5K resolution LTPO AMOLED display with up to 120 Hz refresh rate and up to 3600 nits of peak brightness support. Under the hood, the phone comes powered by MediaTek Dimensity 9500S chipset, paired with Immortalis G925MC12 GPU. In terms of storage, this smartphone packs with 12 or 16 gigabytes of LPDDR5X RAM and 256 or 512 gigabytes of UFS 3.1 storage. As per the optics, the Oppo Reno 16 Pro sports a triple camera setup on the rear that houses a 200-megapixel primary camera with f1.8 aperture, and it supports gimbal OIS stabilization for stable video recording, and there is 50-megapixel telephoto lens with 3.5x optical zoom plus OIS support, along with the another 50-megapixel ultra-wide-angle lens with 116-degree field of view. For selfies, it has 50-megapixel camera under the hole punch at the top center with f2.0 aperture, and both the front and rear cameras of the phone is capable of shooting 4K videos at 60 frames per second. The device comes equipped by a massive 7,000 mAh battery with 80 watts SuperVOOC flash charging support and 50 watts wireless flash charging support. On the software front, the handset runs on Android 16 out of the box, with ColorOS 16 Skin on top. Additionally, the smartphone features an in-display fingerprint sensor for authentication, and it is IP69 certified for dust and water resistance, and it also includes a large VC heat dissipation system to keep the device cool in extreme conditions. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 5G, Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 5.4, GPS, NFC, IR blaster, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of this smartphone measures at 161.31 by 76.46 by 7.86 millimeters, and it weighs around 208 grams. So now, let's take a look at the pricing details of this smartphone. The Oppo Reno 15 Pro has been priced in China for 12GB plus 256GB storage variant at 4,499 Chinese yuan, while the 12GB plus 512GB storage model is priced at 4,899 Chinese yuan, and the higher variant with 16GB plus 512GB storage option is priced at 5,299 Chinese yuan. The smartphone is now available for purchase in the country in moonlit black, dreamy blue, and fluttering star white color options. So, what do you guys think of this Oppo Reno 16 Pro smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.